Stop yawning, everybody, everybody. Day's dawning, everybody, everybody. Future's calling, everybody, everybody. Stop yawning, everybody, everybody. Stop yawning, everybody, everybody. Day's dawning, everybody, everybody. Future's calling, everybody, everybody. Stop yawning, everybody, everybody. Oh, I'm really on it. To myself, I made a promise. If you're gonna start music, don't stop it. Keep writing, you don't have to profit. Just learn how to be great amongst the averages. Even if it's only you that thinks you're talented. Be the guy that gets knocked but still manages to smile, then drop a track that causes damages. I don't do managers, I don't know what the balance is. These are the challenges, being multifaceted. I didn't know my hat was already rabbited. Keep listening, I'll show you what talent is. Stop being habited, listening to cabbages. You won't get a chick if you just wanna smash your bitch. I want a Lambo, I'll settle for an X6. Look into my bag of tricks and see why they're a bunch of dicks. Stop yawning, everybody, everybody. Day's dawning, everybody, everybody. Future's calling, everybody, everybody. Stop yawning, everybody, everybody. Stop yawning, everybody, everybody. Day's dawning, everybody, everybody. Future's calling, everybody, everybody. Stop yawning, everybody, everybody. Brand new chapter, audience to capture. Avoided the rapture, act right, BAFTA. Got X Factor, slow roll tractor. 5'8", but I've got tall stature. Give me my big break, fracture. Watch out, cause this bass slaps ya. This beat's like a cage, trapped ya and acquire taste, match ya. Crazy guy is off his medicine, high up in space like I was jettisoned. So bright I shine, Edison. Don't listen, Harvey's off his head again. Not today, Zerg, you will get lasered. Dove in face first, I know that faith hurts. Find your self-worth before this place bursts. There's only one earth. I dream I'm famous, suits are tailored, G's get tapered, blacks are stainless, events are catered, flights are painless, we'll get brainless, no longer faceless. Will I get tasteless, is being nameless? If I get played less, will I get depressed? I'll take the first step, it's just a dream yet, we'll see.